Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your YouTube browsing history. Let's just jump straight into it. So what you want to do is on the left hand side here, click on history. You now have the option of deleting your entire watch history here by clicking clear all watch history, or you can hover over the videos and click this X to delete individual videos that you've viewed. And it's as simple as that. Thank you.